In today's video, I'm going to show you how to full screen in VLC Media Player using multiple easy methods, so no matter what device or setup you're using, you'll know exactly what to do. VLC is one of the most popular free media players in the world, but a lot of users still miss simple features like full screen mode. Whether you're watching a movie, streaming a lecture, or playing a local video file, going full screen gives you the best viewing experience. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have it open, just search for VLC in your Start menu on Windows or Spotlight on Mac, then click to launch the application. Once VLC is open, load any video file so you can follow along. You can do this by dragging a video into VLC or by clicking Media at the top and choosing Open File. Now, let's talk about the fastest way to enter full screen in VLC, and that's using a keyboard shortcut. While your video is playing, simply press the F key on your keyboard. As soon as you press F, VLC will instantly switch to full screen mode. To exit full screen, just press the F key again or hit the Escape key. This is the quickest method and works on most systems by default. Next up is the mouse method, which is perfect if you don't like using keyboard shortcuts. While the video is playing, move your cursor over the video and double-click anywhere directly on the video image. When you double-click, VLC will toggle full screen on. To exit full screen, just double-click again. This method is very intuitive and works great if you're using a mouse or trackpad. Another reliable way to go full screen is through the VLC menu options. At the very top of the VLC window, click on the Video menu. In the drop-down list, look for the option called Full Screen or Full Screen Interface. Click on it and VLC will immediately switch to full screen mode. If you ever forget the shortcut or double-click method, this menu option is always available. Now let's quickly cover a few helpful tips in case full screen doesn't behave the way you expect. If VLC doesn't go full screen properly, make sure the video window is active by clicking on it once. Also check that no other apps or pop-ups are overlapping VLC. If you're using multiple monitors, VLC may open full screen on the monitor where the window is currently located. Just drag the VLC window to the correct screen before switching to full screen. If you want VLC to always start videos in full screen mode, you can set that as a preference. Click Tools, then Preferences, and under the video settings, look for the option that says Start in full screen. Enable it, save your settings, and from now on VLC will automatically open videos in full screen. And that's it. You now know multiple ways to full screen in VLC Media Player, including keyboard shortcuts, mouse controls, and menu options. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.